Are you struggling with chronic kidney disease and you are dealing with so many dietary restrictions? What to eat or what to avoid? You might have also heard about wheat. Many dietitians and doctors advise their patients not to consume wheat products in many inflammatory diseases, especially the skin, liver and kidney. But the question is, what makes wheat so harmful for them? Why do people with chronic kidney disease avoid eating wheat? Is wheat really harmful? If yes, what to eat other than wheat? Hello and a very warm good morning to all our viewers. I am Dr. Madhvi Vash. I cordially welcome you to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel. Here you will get so much detailed scientific information on health and wellness, diet and nutrition, yoga and exercise for holistic management of kidney disorders. Now the question is, why gluten is a trend nowadays and should kidney patients eat wheat or not? I will solve all your doubts whether you eat it or not. But let's first understand why this concern has become so important for you. The simple answer is that CKD affects how your body handles nutrients, minerals and even certain plant proteins. Another thing is diet is one of the most important parts of managing kidney disease. And wheat happens to be one of the world's most common staples. And meanwhile, gluten-free diet is trending, so it is obvious that people consider gluten is something as bad. See, wheat is a cereal grain. It has carbohydrates, proteins, fiber, B vitamins and minerals. It also contains gluten, a natural protein that gives breads its chewiness. 100 gram of wheat contains approx 7.5 to 8.5 gram gluten. 100 gram of wheat has 357 milligram phosphorus, 2 milligram sodium and 431 milligram potassium. You can see higher level of potassium and phosphorus which are not suitable for kidney patients. In late stage CKD like stage 4 or 5, high phosphorus and potassium can be dangerous, which can lead to bone loss, heart rhythm problems or muscle weakness. See, gluten has two proteins, gliadin and glutenin. It's harmless for most people but dangerous for those with cardiac disease or non-celiac gluten sensitivity. In kidney disease, gluten itself usually is not the direct problem, but wheat products can trigger the other factors and worsen CKD over time. Like if you are diabetic and CKD, then consuming wheat can spike glucose quickly and may lead to diabetic nephropathy. If you have celiac disease, you must completely avoid gluten, no matter you have kidney disease or not. Gluten can trigger an autoimmune attack that damages your small intestine, reducing nutrient absorption, and it's not great when you already are on dietary restrictions. If you have non-celiac gluten sensitivity, you may experience bloating, fatigue, diarrhea after eating wheat. In that case, gluten avoidance should improve your quality of life. If you have no gluten allergy, it's better to switch to other grains such as millets because they are very low in potassium, phosphorus and sodium, which are ideal for kidney patients. You can consume foxtail millets, little millet, barnyard millet, kodo millet and proso millets. So this is a full insight into whether you should eat wheat or not. I personally recommend you to include other foods which are anti-inflammatory and low in sodium, potassium and phosphorus. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related topics. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.